In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add debit card in Remitly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Remitly's official website. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're on the legitimate site and that you're signed into your account, since payment settings live inside your profile. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner. You'll see a menu that may show Welcome or your profile name. Click that to open your account menu. From the menu, choose Settings. This is where all your personal and payment preferences are managed. Inside Settings, find and select Payment Methods. This page lists any payment options you've already added and is where you can add a new one. Click Add Payment Method to begin. When asked what type of payment to add, choose Card. You'll now see a secure form to enter your debit card details. Start with the card number. Type the full number exactly as it appears on your card. Most browsers and the site itself will handle spaces or dashes, so just enter the digits straight through. Next, enter the expiration date in the month and year format shown on your card. After that, type the security code, often called the CVV or CVC. This is the 3-digit code on the back of most debit cards. Keep this private and only enter it on trusted, secure pages like this one. Enter your name as it appears on card. Use the exact formatting shown on your card to avoid any verification hiccups. You'll also see an optional card nickname field. This can be helpful if you manage multiple cards. Add a short label so you can recognize it easily later, but it's fine to leave it blank. Next, provide the billing address. This should match the address your bank has on file for the card. If your payments ever get declined, this is a common spot to double check. Make sure apartment numbers, abbreviations, and zip codes are accurate. When everything looks correct, click Save. Remitly may run a quick validation, or your bank may prompt you for an extra verification step like a one-time passcode to confirm it's really you. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. After saving, you should see your debit card listed among your payment methods, ready to use for transfers. If you run into any issues, verify that your card is enabled for online and international transactions, ensure your billing address exactly matches your bank records, and try a fresh browser or a private window. And remember, only add cards you trust and keep your details secure. That's it, you've successfully added a debit card in Remitly.